$100 degrees out, beautiful summer day in the desert. Standing out here with a very special guy with a very special bike. And this is Rex. Show me what you got.
Yeah, so I have a video of this out on my YouTube channel. I bought a dirt bike, and then basically just wanted to showcase what 4-speed could do in like a 125-ish dirt bike.
Yes.
I'm just gonna tell you some of the problems right off the bat, which is not a big deal, but if you're like trying to jump this thing, the battery on this is huge and it was pushed a little bit too forward. Yeah, no, before I posted the video, this got stolen by a guy that was gonna come buy it and just hopped on it and took off, and I couldn't catch him. I mean, because you gotta realize there's a transmission in here. So that's the motor right here, and then the other side's a transmission.
And it's got the transmission. So what motor is this? Because people were asking on the other.
It's kind of specialty built. It's a company that I deal with, that I have been dealing with, and that race these, and they're not really out to distribute them. Okay. Because they want to make their own and race on these races, because in those places they're crazy electric stuff out there. I mean, way different than what we're at. We're just getting, USA is just getting to it. It's just electric everything, you know, bikes and everything you can imagine. So this one's rated at 4,000 watts, but it pulls 20 kilowatts peak. These are lipopolymers. These are for like helicopters and big ass drones. But you pay a lot for them, dude. Yeah. Like the battery, this is $1,600 for the cells. $1,600. So that's like, there you go. That's like.
And then top speed range.
64 top speed range. I'd just say 30. I mean, I might be able to, I think it hit 40, but I can't confirm that. First gear is like worthless. It redlines at 7,300 RPM. I think it's a little bit different than the gas type of shifting. This one you can feel, it has like, in a way, it feels like a governor or something, because it's all electronic. So when you hit that 7,300, all time to shift. But if you went to, you don't want that you don't want that to happen. You want to do this. So you need to shift the second, shift the third, shift the fourth. And fourth is almost worthless too, because now that I've seen the speeds, first goes to 22, second is where all you need. That goes all the way to 45, I think almost 50 something actually.
Take me away, a secret place, a sweet escape. Take me away to better days. Take me away, a hiding place. Take me away, a secret place, a sweet escape. Take me away to better days. Take me away, a hiding place. Secret place, escape. Take me
Look at this thing. This thing's chunky.
All right, go for it. Hop on. Yep.
So now it's in neutral, so I can rev it. That's pretty cool. Whoa, first gear is strong. Second gear. Whoa! So he said this is where the sweet spot is. Neutral. First. Second. Third. Fourth. Oh my god. Oh, that's as fast as I'm going. Holy shit. This thing hauls. Let's go! Electric 4-speed dirt bike. This thing's sick.
That guy, yeah, he said he doesn't want to call the cops with us, but he just said he's just trying to try and do that.
We got kicked out with the e-bike, the emoto.
Yeah, we're over there. Which spot?
Whatever you think's better, I don't know the area.
Try this spot.
Rex, take it away.
Yeah, so this was originally, I took a Power Wheel, and I have a video coming. It was one of those 2-wheel in the front and 1 wheel in the back Power Wheels. You know what's left on this for the Power Wheel is just a seat now.
Really? I was gonna say.
Yeah, there's not much Power Wheel on it.
What kind of motor and battery are you using?
This is the bigger QS 138 90H. So all my other videos had the 70H, just the 90H. So it's better magnets and the stator's longer.
Look at that.
Yeah, I do have to do some work on the steering. It's kind of scary though. I probably went like 3/4. I didn't want to go all the way. It's scary.
She get wicked, like what you saying, she get wicked, yeah, I heard they catching bodies with mama, like what you saying, on straight up.
Look at my feet. I'm like sitting ass to the pavement. Oh, I need to turn around. No problem. Oh my God, this thing takes off.